we're doing some lip filler here on Alex. He wants a little bit more of an upper lip. And just to really hydrate and kind of accentuate the awesome lips that he already has.
So Alex today is really going for a very like natural look, just a little bit of volume, a little bit of structure. So we're actually using Restylane Refine, which I really love because this is going to kind of give him that super subtle look. He's going to be able to walk out today. There's very little downtime with this and give him everything that he wants. So that's always nice to get everything you want, right?
Yes.
Yeah. They look really good. I'm super stoked for you. Especially like once that swelling comes down, then you're like, it's just gonna give you just that little bit of extra. But
yeah, I think they look good.
It looks so good.
Looking super natural.